What if your floors could stay spotless without you ever lifting a finger? No tangled cords, no half-done jobs, no daily vacuuming stress. The Roborock Saros Z70 isn't just another robot vacuum. It's an all-in-one powerhouse built to clean smarter, deeper, and more efficiently than anything that came before it. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab. Today we're diving into one of the smartest robot cleaners of the year. If you're tired of high-maintenance gadgets and smart vacuums that still leave you doing half the work, this might be the upgrade your home's been waiting for. Let's get into it. Let's start with what makes the Z70 truly next level. It comes with a 5-axis robotic arm called OmniGrip trademark that can literally pick up small objects like socks, cables, or toys before cleaning the floor beneath them. That's right, no more rescue missions every time your vacuum runs. And then there's the 22,000 Pascal suction power. This thing doesn't vacuum. It devours dust, dirt, and pet hair. Pair that with its dual all-rubber brushes and anti-tangle system, and it handles tough messes without breaking a sweat. Now here's where it gets smarter. With FlexiArm mop and side brush tech, it extends to hit tricky corners and edges that other bots just skip. No more almost clean floors. The Z70 also features StarSight 3D navigation, combining AI cameras and 3D sensors to detect and dodge obstacles in real time. It's so precise, you'll think it's got a mind of its own. And despite all this tech, it's still just 3.14 inches tall, which means it fits under couches and beds easily. But when it needs to climb over rugs or thresholds, the AdaptiLift chassis lifts the body by 10 millimeters, smooth and steady. And yes, it does more than clean. The included RockDock Ultra 4.0 is basically a full-service station. It auto-empties debris, hot washes and hot dries the mop pads, refills water tanks, and keeps everything running like new. It's like hiring a cleaning crew in one sleek base station. You also get full control via the Roborock app. Set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, adjust suction and mop settings, and even track where it's been. It also works with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts, so your voice is the remote. The verdict? The Roborock Saros Z70 is more than just a robot vacuum. It's a smart, self-sufficient cleaning assistant that does the dirty work for you. And it does it better than most humans ever could. If you're ready for a spotless home without the hassle, the Z70 might just be your new favorite upgrade. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an update from Smart Tech Lab. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and exclusive discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.